DeepSeek has been really popular recently, and there are tutorials online about how to deploy it locally. But they often involve a lot of command line work, which can be intimidating. Today, I'm going to show everyone how to deploy DeepSeek locally on a Mac in under 3 minutes with a foolproof operation. First, download and install ServBay. Then, go to the Services section. Find Alima at the bottom and click the green button to download and activate it. Next, go to the AI section. Search for DeepSeek. We'll select DeepSeek R1, and let's choose the 1.5B model. Click the green button to download. You can see the download speed is quite fast. DeepSeek has finished downloading. Now click this icon. In the window that pops up, you can start chatting with DeepSeek directly. Isn't that incredibly easy? Besides DeepSeek, it also supports other models, including Solar, Llama, and more.